Hello, profitable traders. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys something in this video, very, very important, which you might have seen on the thumbnail, Elliott wave pattern. So, I've been seeing a lot of video regarding Elliott wave pattern, how these guys are trading it, how these guys are teaching it rather. But I'm going to be making this very, very understandable. So, if you don't know anything about Elliott wave pattern, a complete beginner to this, I'm going to be teaching you from the starting to the ending. Yeah. So Elliott's wave pattern, let me make it easy for you. Elliott's wave pattern is very, very simple. Do not be deceived by this your forex guru you see online teaching you a lot of complicated stuff. Yeah. So Elliott's wave pattern simply means that support turning to resistance or resistance turning to support. Well, I'm going to be teaching that in the next slide. So let me take you to my screen, guys. Peace. All right. Hello, profitable traders. Welcome inside of my screen. So, guys, and we'll be talking about Elliott wave pattern today. Elliott wave pattern. So it's a very simple thing to do as a trader. It's as well a very important knowledge you get. So let me start. Yeah. Okay. Now in Elliott wave pattern, or rather in a trending market, that's the best way to like get your Elliott wave pattern. It's in a trending market. Yeah. So Elliott wave pattern simply means a resistance turning to support or a support turning to resistance. You get now. So it depends if it's an uptrend or a downtrend. Let's say for an uptrend, the market is coming up. Okay, sorry, let me use my part for this. All right, now let's say the market is coming up, is going up, then come down, then goes up again, come down to this point. So as you might know, this is called the impulse and corrective move. Yeah, goes up, come down again. You get now, goes up again, come down again. Now let's stop here. Yeah. All right. So now how Elliott wave pattern simply work is wave by wave. You get now. Elliott wave pattern works by wave. It's a very simple thing to understand. Yeah, I'll be very quick and brief. So um now from this point, this starting point to this point is called wave A to wave B. Now let me use a black trend for this. Let me use my trend for this. From this point down to this point is called, from this point here, look at my arrow, from this point down to this point, yeah, that's up to this point, is called wave A to wave B. You get now, this is called the wave A. So point A to point B, this full wave here is the wave A. Now while from and ends in the wave B, yeah, while from this particular point now, that's the wave B, to this ending point is the wave C. You get now. So this move here, this move to this side is the wave B. Now while from this point up is called the wave C. So it's now saying from this ending point down up to this point here is the wave C, but where it ends is the wave D. You get now, is the wave D. Now while from this wave D to this point is that's from this wave D to this point. This wave C, sorry, this wave C, wave D, okay, wave D to wave E. Why wave E, it's what does the magic. So let me use my password so you understand better. So from this D to E, it's called the wave D. While from E to F, from E to F, it's called the wave E. You get now. So it is wave E that does the magic. Yeah. So let me widen this a little bit. Now, so what this thing actually means is that resistance at this point is turning to support. Resistance at this point is turning to support. Meaning, let me use the rectangle for this. Let me use the rectangle for this. Let's say the market gets to this particular area. This is an area of like interest. Yeah. This point here, this was the higher point, highest point price get to. The first move, this was the highest point price get to before it started rejecting to this point. So this is the impulse move, corrective or retracement move. You get now, up to this point here, down to this point. You get now. So this is the highest point got to. Price got to this point before it started retracing down. So this is the impulse. This is the corrective. So there was another impulse again before a corrective move. So you can also call this wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. So it is wave from this wave 5. This is where the moves happen. You get now. It is the wave 5. This move here to this one is the wave 5. You get now to the wave 6. Or you can say A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, and E to F. You get now. This E is the wave that does the move. You get now. So it's a very simple knowledge to get. It's a very simple knowledge to get. So now let's say for the downtrend. Let's say for the downtrend. Let's say for the downtrend, yeah. Let's say the market started coming down, yeah. So you guys should like follow me now. Let's say the market started coming down, got to this point, then started going up to this point here, then comes down to this point, started going up again to this point. You get now. So it's creating higher highs and higher lows. You get now. It's a very simple thing. This is like the basics of market structure. You get now to this point again, then to this point. You get now. Then to this point. Now, let's see something, yeah. Let's see something. So I said, okay, sorry. Now, as you can see, what I did um in the uptrend, the market was like going up, impulse corrective, impulse corrective. So it is the wave A that is the main move here. So this one is coming down. So the one going up is the corrective. You get now. So this particular point here is the impulse move. You get now. Why this point here is the corrective move. You get now. So it's a very simple thing. This is the impulse as well. Impulse. Why this is the corrective. Yeah, it's a very simple thing to understand. Corrective move. Sorry. So this is the impulse again. This trend line here. And this is the corrective. So it's a very simple knowledge to get now. So corrective move. And the last one, I'm not going to do the last one. You're supposed to know that that is the impulse, yeah. So now this part now, I said for an uptrend, it is support turning to resistance. While for a downtrend, it will not simply be, it is resistance turning to support rather for an uptrend. So for resistance, I've said it already just now with mistake. It will be support turning to resistance. Let me draw my box here. You get now. So look at it. It created a support here, started going up. Hope you guys know the meaning of support and resistance. So in case you don't know the meaning of support and resistance, I created a video regarding that already. You could go check that out. Yeah. So support where price gets to refuse to go lower, then starts rejecting up, then breaks it. Resistance price got to refuse to go higher, then starts rejecting from that level. You get now. So this particular level, so this price level was the support and now became a resistance. You get now. So this one is the from this point now is the wave A to wave B. Right from this point is the wave B to wave C. Right from this point now is the wave C to wave D. Right from this point is the wave D to wave E. You get now wave E, you enter a trade here, stop loss above here. I'm not telling you to if you see this thing, you enter a trade. So there are other things you have to see, like confidences you have to see before you get now work with that. So from this point to this point, you start shorting the market, or the market will start coming down, like based on price action or what we know in like based on other um based on previous movement of the price. That's what the market not do most of the time. You get now 90% of the time. So It's a very simple knowledge. It's very, very easy to understand. Hope you get what I'm trying to say. So this is all for Elliott wave pattern. Don't please do not be complicated by those long lengthy video about ABCD pattern and a lot of other things you get now. So this is the basic, most understandable Elliott wave pattern video you see out there. You get now. So it's a very simple thing. I hope you understand. So drop your comments in the comment section below regarding this video, and as well, like this video for other persons to see, and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're a new subscriber, you're a beginner forex trader, an intermediate forex trader, whichever forex trader you are, pro forex trader, because I drop content, educative content, not just like this, different one regarding getting funds to trade. You get now, so a lot of other things. So make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on your post notification whenever I post new videos, so you get notified. You get now. So like this video for other persons to see. Like this video for other persons to see. And with all this being said, I'll catch you in my next video. Bye for now.